Introduce the machine. So machine, there is a control panel, computer, keyboard at side, and control buttons. 2D tables for traveling, and there is a motor for up and down. This is the 3D auto ready, and the CCD here. Water tank for cooling, for adjust up and down. So turn off the power and turn on the water tank. And turn on the machine power at back. Turn on at front. Control panel turn on. And also turn on the computer. Control panel on. So control panel mainly adjusts the 3 parameters. The first is current, and the second health, and the third is frequency. So for the current, normally from 200. Health is means the welding spot. Welding spot speed. It's from 0 to 20. Frequency. Frequency is from 1 to 200. Frequency means that from one second, how many spots come out at one time. Here for the parameter, we can see the data. We can think of 40 groups parameter in the control panel. Here is a C. This is program 3, and the data we set.